Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about leafy greens, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with leafy greens. Now I'm talking specifically about what I call the bitter leafy greens, and this would be any greens other than salad greens. So this doesn't apply to lettuce or spring mix or something that you might make a tossed salad with. These apply to kale and collard greens and turnip greens and other greens along those lines, the ones that are a little tougher and usually are cooked. Okay, on this list we have, why not mix some leafy greens with apple cider vinegar and black-eyed peas? Sounds like a collard green recipe to me. Leafy greens with apple cider vinegar, chili flakes, and garlic. Leafy greens with chilies, garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Leafy greens with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Leafy greens with garlic and lemon. Leafy greens with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and onions. Leafy greens with garlic, olive oil, and tamari. Leafy greens with garlic and tomatoes. Leafy greens with lemon juice, olive oil, and rice. Leafy greens with onions and tomatoes. Leafy greens with pasta and white beans. Leafy greens with scallions, sesame oil, and tamari. Leafy greens with tomatoes and zucchini. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Bye for now.